Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace wig. This is actually a synthetic wig. It's in the style Solana and it's in the color Burgundy Wine. Such a pretty color. I got this wig for $47.99. Ridiculous. And look at how nice this lace is. Like, I've never seen a synthetic wig as pretty as this with the color, and it already came in such nice curls. Right now I'm just putting on the foundation. As you can see, my fingers got a little stuck in the hair. I mean, it is synthetic, so it is very tangly, but look how pretty these curls are. Like, this is right out of the box. So now this is the worst part for me, cutting the lace around my ears. Always be careful around this part. So I try to take my time when doing this. Also, a little side note, if you guys notice the wig cap underneath the lace, this lace is very transparent. So later on in the video I'm actually going to take it off because you can clearly see it underneath, and it looks way better without the wig cap. So I would just recommend just not wearing it at all. So I'm cutting the lace in a zigzag pattern, and I would recommend this so you don't have as harsh of a line. So now I'm gluing the wig down with the Got2b spray. I know it looks a little rough, but just trust the process, please. Just trust the process. It's gonna come out way better in the end. I'm using some mousse to lay down my edges. I'll leave the exact mousse that I'm using in the description box. So I'm using a big comb to comb out some of the tangles. Like I said before, this hair is very tangly, so be aware of that. But honestly, for less than $50, I really couldn't care less, to be honest. So now I'm just wrapping up my edges so I can do my makeup and they don't get messed up. And now my makeup is done. This is the final product, and I don't know what y'all think. I think it came out way better. I told y'all trust the process. So I really love it. For a synthetic wig, I feel like this wig is bomb. Like, the color is perfect, the lace is amazing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.